The tablets come equipped with a chip, a data chip, SIM card as you know it. On the SIM card we have 25 gigabytes of data. So when you get the gadget, you'll be able to go right online and set up, what's it, Google Classroom, sir? To set up your Google Classroom and otherwise. But if used well, I'm told that 25 gigs can last a term. So I'm challenging you all to take the burden off your parents and others and make sure that lasts.
This is to help you guys to forward your future. I would like you to be happy about it, but take it serious as well. Make sure that this is the classroom for you now. Okay, guys? The Sean Paul Foundation is something that I developed to kind of just help out people in need and also the students right now. So the tablets I've given out 100 already. We have our next 100 given out, so that is going to be 200 in the long run. I think that education is very important, and I think that the kids will make very great use of it. And I hope that it helps the teachers and the kids to kind of have a better relationship. It's very hard what is happening right now with the homeschooling and whatnot. So big up to the teachers and big up to the parents that are dealing with that.
I'm very pleased to be here today alongside the Sean Paul Foundation and Flow to present more tablets for digital learning access for our children here in Jamaica. Now more than ever it's important. Sandals Resorts, Sandals Foundation have contributed to the drive for these tablets, and we're just really pleased to see more and more children getting the ability to access digital learning, not just for today but for the future.
Flow Foundation, supported by our parent company Cable and Wireless Foundation. Our sole focus, one of our main focus, is to drive digital education in Jamaica. And what we're trying to do here with the Sean Paul Foundation is to make sure that we give more communities who are underprivileged and in the rural communities access to internet and devices so they can do their online learning.
And also I hope that, with teaming up with Sandals and Flow has given us a chip that basically has a certain amount of data on it, so the kids can have free use of it for now. 200 tablets just to kind of help with the heavy load that the educational system is having right now.